welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine and I am currently doing up a van with my boyfriend. We are going to travel Australia. Hopefully we leave very soon. And I've been vlogging the experience, but I definitely took a big kind of chunk off doing the van and vlogging, but now I'm working part-time, if that, and to really focus on finishing the van. It is a very time consuming project, especially for two people that have no experience in building at all, which we do not. But there will definitely be previous videos to watch if you are interested in like how we got to this stage, and then there'll be more, and it's not really a how-to, some of it is, but it's more just a like, this is our experience. And you can get ideas and stuff, I guess. I love watching videos like this. But yeah, I just thought I would show you. It's been months. Like, it's taken us so long to get to this stage. I don't know how people do it, just like whip it up. And they must have experience, and they must, well, I assume they have experience, and I assume that they aren't working full time at the same time, because I just don't know how people manage it. But anyways, I will show you where we're up to, and yeah, I'm excited. It is a bright yellow van. This is the back, so this will be the kitchen, and those water tanks go in here. This is our bench. I will open this for you to show you. It just has little locks on the bottom that you just pull out. So this was exciting. These drawer sides were really expensive. I think $200 or $300, but so worth it. It gives us so much more room. Fridge, and then this will be plugged in, and then this will slide out. This does slide out, and then there will be storage for the kitchen, and it just slides back in, but it's a bit tight. Anyways, it's more like a two-hand job. Yeah, and then this will be our bench top. We're going to tile this hopefully today, and then this will be cupboard doors, storage for the kitchen. Our inverter, this will sit out here. This is to show us the like inverter details, power coming in, power coming out, etc. Fuse box, there will be a door on here. This will attach somewhere here, and this is our light for our, oh, it's upside down, there we go. Our light for the kitchen. So yeah, that's really exciting. That's one side, and then I will show you in the van. So this is a blackboard wall, and I'm planning on putting a little garden bed there, the fan up there. This was really tricky to do. That was fun because there was like lots of grooves and stuff. And then this is inside the van. I love our floor. It's like a fake wood lino. And then our ceiling is beautiful. I love it. And then yeah, this is the other side. Oh, I have to clear that out. This is the other side. So this line here will be a cupboard, like will be cupboards from this side. Yeah, so you won't be able to access that from the kitchen, so that will be just like storage for our belongings, and then the stuff up the top will be storage from the kitchen side like I showed you. And then this part here, so that slides, that kitchen slider slides all the way into here, and then we'll have big doors. Oh, and there's wheels under there, that's why they just put boxes over them. This will be like a solid part, which will be bed slash couch. So it'll be like always solid there, couch. And then at night we will convert it to the bed. And then yeah, underneath will all, like this will all be storage, this will be storage, and this will be storage, and it will just be like two big doors. So we're going to make that in the next few days. And then down this side will be more couch slash bed, but it will open up. So yeah, and hopefully we'll be able to put some storage under there, because we want to put our camping chairs under there. But yeah, we don't have any storage on the roof, so it's kind of tricky to get like the table and the chairs in. But we do have an awning, and we have two big solar panels, but we just don't, this is a really small space in between. And yeah, but yeah, that's our little van so far. So this is what our window edging looked like before, and we bought some wood stuff to put in there. It just did not work, and it wasn't flexy to go on the sides because there's like a curve to it and stuff, and it just, yeah, it looked kind of like shit. So we were trying to think of something to put in there, but we weren't aesthetics. We wanted it to look better, but we weren't too bothered. Anyways, I just found this like foamy tape stuff at Bunnings, and it comes in different sizes. So that's what that one looks like, and then I just did this one, and because there's already black on the window sills from like actual windows, the rubber, and then I just bought this black stuff and just put it in there, and it fits. I got 2 different thicknesses, and they fit, I don't know if you can see there too, yeah, and they both fit in there like together really well. And yeah, it just looks, and then like this is, again, it's not ideal, but I should have showed you the before, but this was horrendous, like, because the wall didn't match to didn't go all the way to the window, so there was like a big gap and stuff, so that just like tidies that little bit up. And yeah, that looks really good, and that wasn't much. I think they were like $3 and $4 per box, so it didn't cost that much. So this stuff is like a lifesaver. It's definitely not the most professional, great, best looking way to make things like tidy looking, but for us, when we don't have that much, well, I don't have that much skill, and Bob is very busy with everything else, I'm going to show you. I've done this window, and then the other window as well, and then I've done around the door, and I'll show you the top bit that I haven't done. I'll show you like the before and after, and you can just see how bad it looks before. The best one I've done was like, this is the step up into it, and we have this floor, and then this part here, it was just the edging of like the wood. You can see like the insulation, everything underneath, and then we just put this little black tape stuff on, and oh my god, so much nicer. And like all of here you could see like in the wall, and now you cannot see in the wall, so this is like what you could see sort of thing. So it's, yeah, you could see like behind the wall, and you could see the yellow still, and then yeah, that's what you could see all down here. But I put that stuff, so I've just cut this piece. I'm gonna put that up, and I'll show you the difference. And that is the difference with that black tape one. You can't really see, but you can just see that it's not yellow. You can't just see through the wall. Alrighty, so my next job I'm gonna try and tackle today is paint this yellow bit in here white, because this used to be yellow inside, and we are slowly getting rid of all the yellow inside the van, except for in the cab, but we've still got this door, so I'm going to paint this white, and then this big black bit of vinyl, we couldn't take that off because of the locking mechanism and stuff. I'm sure you might be able to, but we didn't want to muck around with it, so I just bought some white vinyl stuff that I'm just going to put, like rubber, that I'm going to put over the black. But first I'm going to paint the yellow. So the man of the hour, Bob, today has, so this was like the frame, and then he's put this kind of like face on it, just with, yeah, he's done way more, but this is what I'm showing you, is that he has just cut this, like it's really thin, like 3mm ply. He's cut that and put it over, because that's where the cupboard doors are going to be, but just to make it nicer, and then I'll go over and paint it white later. And yeah, can you show them that bit? He loves the vlog.
That's
so
perfect.
He will put that up, and then go on the other side and draw where the holes will be, and then cut them out, and then put it up. It's looking good. Oh, and look at our, oh my god, this is the best part. Do you love it?
Yeah.
Yeah. He has so much enthusiasm. Let's. in there through the window what's hanging inside. That's later on, my job. But right now, the one job Bob lets me do, putty. I'm a good puttier. So, I'm not really if you look at all my mistakes in there. But I'm going to go and putty all of these like gaps and stuff. But while I'm doing that, so we just want to look at our beautiful sink. Now, this is probably wrong. It's probably going to like, I want to put it out into the universe. I'm going to think positively. But is it made to be a sink? No, it's just a pretty bowl. But we're going to just drill a hole in there and use it as a sink. And it's mango wood. The lady said we can wash it, but not like, don't get heaps of water. And we're going to use it as a kitchen sink. So you just, that's what we're doing. And I think it's going to be fine. I'm just going to be positive. But I love it. So yeah, that's what we're doing. But right now, I'm going to putty. Perfect. I've painted the edges white and I've put the white like vinyl-y stuff. It's like a rubber. This is what that's the material. And I used this spray adhesive and I've just put that on there. Like this is a bit wrinkly, but I think it's okay. But see, the edges isn't nice. So what I'm going to do is get like a cord or a rope or something and just super glue those edges on. Just like tidy it up, and I think that will tidy that section up as well. But oh my god, the yellow is gone. We kind of kept forgetting about this door. It was just because like when we work on the van it's open, and then we'd close it and it had the black vinyl which we couldn't get rid of, and then it had all the yellow and it just, yeah, it looked like shit. But now it kind of looks like the van. And Bob's working on the other side of the kitchen, and I'm now going to do my most exciting thing. I'm going to make a little like a planter box up here, and we're going to have a little indoor garden and hope that all my plants stay alive. No, I'm so excited. It looks so good, and I'm really excited about my garden. I spent $100 on plants today, so let's hope. And then I've been looking for fake ones for ages, and like actual succulents, and cactus and stuff, not like flowery ones, and I couldn't find any. And I literally spent $100 on it this morning, and then went out to Pillow Talk to look for something for our sink, like a bowl, and found a bunch of fake succulents for like the same price, and they wouldn't die. And we wouldn't have like draining issues, water issues, dirt issues. But who doesn't want real plants? Bob does it, I don't. I do, and we're going to keep them alive and just watch this space. It's going to look so good. Still plodding along. Bob's just actually gone and ducked out to get some high gloss paint for the kitchen cupboards, but I just did my little garden. Bob's just rocked back. He's gonna think I have done nothing. I did time lapse it, but there was a cord in the way the whole time, which is a little annoying, but I'll still put it in. But it's a little up. Now the drainage system, there kind of isn't one. They're all things that don't need a lot of watering, but they do need some like part shade and sun. So I'm definitely gonna have to make sure that I park it so that sun gets to them, and if they die I just get more ones that are more suitable. But I really like the look of these ones. So Gilly, do you want to come see my garden? My little brother's here. I'm going to show you my garden. My garden? Yeah. Come up here. You can stand up and have a look.
That's cool.
Is that cool to have a garden in a car?
Yeah. I can put plants in here.
Yeah. You gotta have plants in a garden.
That's so cool.
So I am just editing this now forever in the future to that video, and I did have no outro anytime soon. So just want to say thank you for watching the video. It's getting such to an exciting part. We're like nearly finished the van in that video anyways. Like I said, I'm so far in the future right now. Yeah, but thank you for watching, and like I said, super close to nearly finishing. So if you are interested in seeing where, like, how the van looks once it's finished, it looks so good by the way, keep watching. I will edit those videos in the next few weeks and have them up. And if you are interested in how we got to this part of the build from a completely empty bare canvas, then go back through the channel and there's about 5 or 6 other videos on it. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. Bye.